kiki kye mulowooza mu plan gye mulina ey'enjawulo? Manyi waliwo okwogera obwogezi ebigambo nga ne plan teriwo ya njawulo eyinza kutereeza kibuga.
Ekisooka kino ekibuga kyakumenya.
Kidda mupya.
Kyakumenya naye nga tonnakimenya sooka okuliyetinga ebibuga ebirala ebigenda okwagazisa abantu okusenguka okuva mu kino. How do you depopulate this one? By creating more beautiful alternative cities with better transportation, better communication, internet access. Byonna ebikola. Because Uganda, as the Pearl of Africa, the opportunity of scenery. Everywhere you go, there is a different aura.
Yeah, true.
It's a different ball game, it's a different environment. If you go to the north, it is different. There are those antics antics that you'll find.
Uganda.
Yes, Uganda, but you can only find them in the north. There are those that you'll find in my homeland in Busoga.
Yeah, Busoga
and
region.
You'll die to be a person of origin from Busoga.
Yeah.
Those from Teso, from Mbale, the great lands of Sebei. If you move to our brothers in western Uganda, Kabale, the hills of Kabale. If you go down to Kasese, if you look at endowed with Mountain Renzori, if you come to Fort Poto, very beautiful people, you have that opportunity that if you take development to those places, make them better, commensurate to their natural scenery, geographical location, and other commensurate to accessibility, to health. Kubanga tewetaga ekitawanya investor kwe kugende wantu nga bw'anaafuna senya
talina luguudo
alina okuflyinga
twali ddwaliro twali masanyalaze
ontegedde. So ku radius ya Uganda kubanga si nnene, your longest route is not more than 800 kilometers.
Yes.
That means that the job to do is simply planning better. If bomba moina 600, about 700, 500, about 500 kilometers east, west, south, average rate is about 600, then it means that you can actually have a better development of your infrastructure based on planning, because there's a lot of virgin land in the country owned by private but also by government. And once government takes initiative to plan for new cities with a clear blueprint, have access roads, Homestead, not only the highways. Of course, there should be improved highways. There should be advanced technology advancement in terms of internet accessibility and others, because that is what is now is inviting investment. And of course, security.
What do you think the plan Jorina Jogerako? Toli mu government maybe choose government of Odiao. Nesagala kweta that reasoning because toli mu government maybe tebabitegera. Do you think nti tebalina ndowooza eyo bwe baba bagirina kiki ekibalemesa oba oliawo okukiteeka mu nkola?
Definitely they are just stagnated with longevity of the person of President Museveni. They are all bogged with satisfying his ambition and his strong existence as head of state makes them believe that he and himself, attesting to his own testimony, he is the alpha and omega. He actually knows everything. So he poses the vision of whatever should be done, and in the end, people do not do it for the country, but they do it for the individual.
Teri mugezi mulala okujjako ye kyotegeeza.
Yeah, and he has attested to that. He said that about no person he was governing with that had vision. I think in 2013, nti tewali alina vision.
2011?
Teri alina vision okujjako ye. Okay? N'addamu n'agamba nti atalabawo omuntu ayinza yali addressinga ku nsonga za murders ezaaliwo nga batemudde abantu ba November 18, 19 ng'ayogera ne munnamawulire wa CNN. Bwe yamubuuza yamugamba nti amanyi ebintu bingi nnyo, he knows everything. Ne mu COVID it was the same. So the mistakes of the vision of an individual, committedly maybe, without prejudice, zi affecting the policy formulation and organization. Kubanga waliwo institutional breakdown. Kasita wabeerawo institutional breakdown, neera kiri kyogambye nti Why is it that even when it is the opposition in charge of government, in charge of the local government centers, there is no performance? I will tell you. Do you know how much money is being given to districts per quarter? Butambala district, I was speaking to the vice chairman of Butambala, Kakomo Juma. Nangama nti kakati babawe milioni 2.
Okolachi
kungudo per 4 months. Kakati, what can you do with milioni 2?
Batogera kungudo. Of recent,
atenga sente zonna kati ezisolozebwa basalawo ne baziteekamu zijja mu pool. Sente zonna
zina sente eriemu.
Aha, zijja mu pool. Kati bano ne badetermining ani afuna ki ani afuna ki.
Ndiza tuyafuna emboozi another day Butambala weefuna ezo comparinge district center nazo zifuna ezo oba oli awo mu ngeri yemu. Of recent nabadde nyina grading.
Tebatugale nga tugenza awo.
Abayinza obutatugala kasatu banga twogera facts.
Kale.
Nyinawe nabadde ndi bakwita ku leveling attaka. Like ngotema. Somebody charged 7 million okutema ettaka eryo. Kati nkubamu bwongambye milioni 2 nti Butambala zeefuna mu kwota.
Yes.
Oba oli awo kati nebuuza milioni 2 bwe ziba zigenda kuwa service oba ku maintenance y'enguudo ziyinza kukola kyenkanawa.
Tubadde n'abavubi abadde ne gyali mukola inspection.
Yes.
And argument yaabwe era ne argument ye government
n'abavubi otegeezani
ali mu kifaananyi kya prime minister wa state nti
tali mu kifaananyi tulina prime minister waali mu ggwanga Uganda
nti bagabye abasibe balondebwa eyabalonda teyabapointi nga talina mandate yaba na Uganda. Awo twavaawo era naye bwe yali alonda yagamba nti ku luno Mukama azizza bibye. Tojjukira ekkololo nti ku luno weebale Mukama ozizza bibye.